energetic today, but what happened yesterday? This is the reality of working full-time job. It's now 5:30 in the morning. I'm very tired. Too dark for camera, hence I'm using my phone, which is also too dark, and time to go to work. That's 7 hours later. It's kind of gone fast. It was mentally busy. Now heading home to get some planning done and get some content written and stuff. Today I'm officially a zombie. I got home, thought I'd have a little nap, and then just slept for about 2 hours. Up now, picking up things, then off to parents' evening. So I'm a complete zombie, not a good day. Here I am for parents' evening, just in the car waiting. Complete zombie today. Zonked out all afternoon, just completely bang, went to sleep. A wasted day really. Feel pretty sort of crappy because I've got nothing done, but then I've got another early start tomorrow. Did not produce a vlog episode yesterday. I'll give a little bit more context around that and sort of show you why. But it's basically because I was so zonked out and in pretty much like a coma. I was so tired. I got in and sort of just fell asleep, woke up, just about had enough time to go and pick up things, off to parents' evening and come back, and just no excuses at all. But it's one of those things, and I've committed to doing this daily vlog, and I love to do it, and it brings me great pleasure sort of doing the creativity, but I've absolutely got no excuse for missing it, apart from just being lazy. But you can't just kind of, you know, come down too heavy on yourself, and because it is what it is, it's happened, and just move on. So I have another day gap, but that's it. You know, it's I could have stayed up super late, but then I was up again ridiculously early this morning for today, which was also mentally busy. I wanted to say today, now I'm a little bit more energetic, which is weird. It's a gorgeous sunny day. Maybe I'm affected by the sun. Maybe that's it. Maybe I'm sort of like a sunflower. Possibly, but I wanted to just kind of talk about routine, because one of the things that prevented me yesterday from actually completing my task of doing this daily vlog was, I think, the lack of a planned routine. And whilst I like to think I had a planned routine, I essentially ignored it. So I guess the point I'm trying to make is it's about being brutal with the routine. It's not just about having a routine, it's also about following the routine and keeping to the plan. Because I had a plan to do certain things at certain times, I didn't for whatever reason, and therefore missed everything. And it kind of has a knock-on effect. There's consequences for not doing certain things. Now obviously that will change depending on the shifts I'm doing for work, but there's certain tasks. Now I have previously mentioned about having a schedule for certain tasks for a certain time, and then you just look at your calendar and do them. But the important thing here is, and something which I think I was the example yesterday of not looking at the calendar and not doing them. Now I was aware they were in there, and I was aware I had to do them, but something was just preventing me from doing that. Now I don't know exactly what that was, whether that was just tiredness took over, but there wasn't that commitment to get it done. And that's the thing that annoyed me most. It wasn't the fact of just being tired, which in itself is annoying. It was more I was comfortable with missing the commitment of doing the tasks. And that's frustrating and annoying, because if you're going to do that, what's the point in having the commitment if you're happy just to miss them? So I think it's about being brutal with your strategy of being upstaged by a duck. It's being brutal with your strategy of getting things done, and literally once that time is blocked out to do X, that's all you do at X. You don't. There's no There's no get out, there's no excuse. That's all you do in that time. And it's very easy to go, do that later. But if you swap tasks around, fine. But if it's sort of, I'll do it later and it's not rescheduled, or it's not rescheduled for a particular reason, just, then that's crappy. And that kind of lack of structure and that kind of lack of importance put on the tasks undermines the whole thing. And once you start getting these tasks done and you get that sort of feeling of accomplishment, it's like, you know, the worst thing that I can ever think of is going to the gym or going for a run, or to be honest, doing anything physical. But I know when I have gone for a nice long walk or something like that, then I do feel amazing after. It's just the concept of doing it, and whilst I'm doing it, it's not the best thing. But the feeling of accomplishment and having done it, and the physical feeling is great, and that's the point. So when it comes to these tasks on your calendar, if you get them done, you'll feel like, oh yeah, I've got it, tick, 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 tick. You know, if you've got like a tick list, you've actually got them done, and that's, you know, you're sort of on your way. Whereas if you don't, it's guaranteed you're going to feel pretty crappy and pretty sort of off about not getting them done, and that's often the thing that's really kind of that grates on me. So, what a beautiful day. You can see the gorgeous lake behind. It's absolutely stunning. It's for, where are we, the 18th of October, and it's a beautiful blue sky, gorgeous lake. It's a lovely place to be in the park. I should have come here yesterday rather than going home and having a snooze, because when I'm here I do feel a little bit more energized. I do feel sort of more kind of creative, to be honest, and that's the nice thing. So I think this is the plan. Now obviously when I'm not working very early, I'm working sort of most of the day, maybe different, but then I just have to come here at night and see if there's enough light. Otherwise I'll have to work it out and do something at lunchtime. It doesn't really matter. So I keep saying so. I keep saying so. That's so bad. Got to stop saying so. Wearing sunglasses because it is actually very sunny today. I'm not trying to be Casey Neistat. Where's my boosting board? Right. So getting things done. That's the thing. Now there's a book that I want to read. I haven't read it yet, but I've heard about it, and I'm actually going to put a link, hopefully up here or up here, somewhere up there. I can't work it out. Of an episode with Casey Neistat and this Navy SEAL, and he's talking about waking up early, if it's 4:30, 5 o'clock, and how winning just that small piece is then helping you to win the day and then kind of go through the small tasks. So I hope you got some value from this. It's another more sort of eclectic kind of inspirational type thing, but after yesterday's crappy day of pretty much doing nothing, I wanted to just sort of take things back to reality and get myself in check, and really just sort of share, I suppose, my frustration of yesterday. Parents even was amazing. The little chickens are doing really well, so that's all good, and there'll be lots of them next week because it's half term. But I wanted to just share that frustration of the reality of when things don't go right. It's not just because at the time it's maybe, but then there's that almost like self-loathing that going on, and being really pissed off that you didn't get done what you should be getting done, but getting done that I want to be getting done, and just kind of being lazy, which is sort of the way to not really achieve anything. So anyway, if you got some value from this, please like it, leave me a comment, and let me know how you kind of overcome this kind of sort of feeling when you're a bit and tired and don't get stuff done. I'd love you to smash that subscribe button with the bell notification so you know when I'm releasing new videos. And for now, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.